Hi everyone, Miss Keely here. I wanted to show you guys a different way that you could paint at home if you don't necessarily have actual paint. So what you would need is a piece of tin foil, you would need a paintbrush, some water, a paper towel, just in case you are a little bit messy with your water, and then you'll need markers and most likely like washable or markers that are not really permanent, okay? So what you will do is you will take those markers, whatever colors you are wanting to use, and you are pretty much just trying to scribble a lot of color onto the tin foil. And you can add as much as you want or as little. You want a pretty good size area though if you feel like you're going to be painting a lot with it. And then when you are putting your colors on your tinfoil, you just want to be careful that you leave a little space. That way they're not going to really blend together. And so I'm just kind of filling in a bunch of different colors. I'll fast forward this. And so what you would do is just like painting with like watercolor paints at home, you would wet your paintbrush, so dip it in, make sure it's clean first, and then you take your paintbrush and you lightly just collect some of that color, and it will turn into paint just like watercolor paint, okay? You can also color mix with these, just kind of same thing as watercolor paints. Make sure you wash your paintbrush before grabbing a new color because it will kind of mix and ruin your colors. But if you have extra space on your tinfoil, you can definitely kind of color mix over there. Um, so kind of experiment with it before you actually use it. If you do not have a paintbrush, you could use a Q-tip. I did try using a Q-tip in one of my other videos and it worked perfectly fine. It was just kind of a more lengthy process using the toothpick or Q-tip, sorry. Um, but that's an option. And so I just wanted to show you guys this because I think painting is really fun, and even if you don't necessarily have paints at home, this is an option, okay? So I'm just going to fast forward. I wrote a little message that says, "Hi, I miss everyone." Um, so yeah, I just wanted to show you that. So if we're ever doing a project in the future where you your like step is to color it in, and I'm like, you can use whatever you have at home. This is a new option for you guys. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this and that it works out really well for you. Maybe you just create things on your own, but yeah. All right. Bye.